Welcome back, Tadpole, and today's going to be part 1 of reviewing my games from the North Central Open, which I got second in from the U1900 section, and I got $300, and this was the tournament that I crossed 1700 and became 1706. I was 1638 before, which means I jumped 68 rating points or 69? I think it's 68. No, it's 69, because, 69 rating points. I went up. Let's check out the first game. I played 1100, and I made quick work of it. Played e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, bishop c5, c3. This is what I usually play. d3, bishop b3, knight d2, knight f1, knight g3, castles, Guccio Pianissimo is what it's called. My opponent, I bet you get 10 guesses at what this dude played. 10. I bet you cannot guess what he played here. Pause the video and see if you can find the horrendous move that my opponent played here. I do not know what he was thinking. Alright. So, he played the interesting, no, not even knight ge7, but knight ce7. And this is a very bad move because, this is what I played. Knight takes e5, and I'm just threatening this. He plays knight h6 and d4, bishop b6, and I'm just like, okay, I'll take. You play d5, which is probably the best move. I took on g7, rook g8, bishop f6. He takes, and I go queen h5, threatening mate in 1. He has to go bishop b6. I play d5. This was a very bold move because I had to calculate if he could play rook takes g2. He cannot because this just doesn't work. There's no queen d3. Even if there was, I could take there. There's no queen d1 because my queen covers that. So, rook takes g2. He probably should have played bishop takes d5, takes, queen takes d5. I would have probably played queen f3 and just tried to trade queen because I'm literally up a knight. So, yeah. Rook takes g2, my opponent played very bad move. D takes e6, I'm like, what you got, buddy? And he takes 20 minutes off his clock. And I'll give you 5 guesses. You cannot guess what he played here. You can't. No, he didn't play rook takes f2. He didn't play bishop takes f2. He didn't play something like rook g6 like I thought he was going to. I thought he was going to go rook g6 and I was going to have to play like queen h7, this. No. He spent 20 minutes and he played. His idea was this, but like, I mean, spending 20 moves and playing queen to d2 is like I was like instantly calculating knight g6, and I was like, oh, that's just bad because I have mate in 2. And then I looked, oh, he can put another piece on g6, and I can't actually play queen h6 here. I could play this and just like trade everything and be up a rook, but I probably would have gone for if rook g6, I probably would have gone for queen takes h7, threatening me. And what if he takes them? There's this. This is completely winning. It might even be forced mate. Did not. I don't actually know how here, but thought there was a mate there, but yeah, I played this and he played queen d2. I took on d2. He castled, I castled. Rook takes f2, bishop takes e7, rook takes d2, rook takes d2, bishop e3, king b1. He took. I found a forced mate in 7, but he played rook f2 and I found a. Alright, let's see. Tadpole quiz. Can you find mate in 2 for white? It's the third of this video. Alright, so I found a pretty easy move. Queen to g4 check. He played king b8, and this is mate. So yeah, this is how this 1100 just got absolutely pummeled by me. Yeah, I had 98 accuracy that game. So that's a little bit crazy. I'm going crazy. Alright, so it's part 1. Make sure to have the notifications bell to see when I'm posting my next video. Make sure to always smash that like button and hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.